welcome back to my channel. So today is February 13th and today I'm gonna be spending time with my boyfriend, just like a pre-Valentine's, because I'm not gonna be able to see him on Valentine's Day. We decided to hang out the day before, so I got ready. I did my hair. So I'm wearing this like maroon fitted dress. I'll show y'all. I'm gonna wear with new heels, but I'm gonna put that on later. So I'm wearing this. It looks red on camera, but it's really maroon looking tie. I'm gonna be wearing nude heels with it, but I'll put that on later. Jewels in my eyes. I don't know if y'all can see. I put some like gold ones in. And my look looks super cute. It looks girly and festive, so I can't wait to see him. So I'm gonna vlog when I'm gonna show y'all like his reaction when he opens up my present. So I'll catch up later when it's almost time when he gets here. Hey boo, so I finally did the background. This is our little backdrop we're gonna take pictures by, and it looks super cute. I came up with this idea and I thought it looks really cute, so I can't wait to take pictures with him. I'm ready. I just need to put my heels on, and I don't know if y'all can see me, but I am ready. So my boyfriend got us canes for Valentine's. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We're having a little picnic. And then there's Riley Ray trying to eat our food. Okay, you ready? Close your eyes. Can't look.
Okay, they're closed.
Open.
Oh my god.
You like it?
Yes. What do I start with? What do you want to start with?
Doesn't matter.
With the card, what we got? Clip art.
Wait, there's stick in there.
Yeah, what? Oh, it's sticked?
Yeah.
Okay, clip bars. My favorite protein bars.
Since you didn't like a lot of candy, so.
Yeah. Gotta start prepping. What's this?
It's a pocket spray, so you put that in your backpack, and it's
cologne?
Yeah, and it sprays up to 250.
Ah, what we got? We got some gum.
Juicy fruit.
Juicy fruit. Chick-fil-A. And we got more protein bars.
Kisses. Only one chocolate.
Not bad. And a shirt.
Hopefully you like it.
Is it plain?
Yeah, it's plain. It's just a nice basic tee.
I like it. And then with some roses.
Yeah. Yeah, but you can see they're like light up.
Yeah, they light up.
So those are your roses for me. And I decorated the box, if you didn't notice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. Want to read the card?
Hey Luz, happy Valentine's. February 14th, and it's like 12:25, and I just got dressed and I put some heart bubble braids for Valentine's. It's a very simple look, and I did this kind of makeup. Can't see. To be H&M and Target. So I'm gonna show you what my boyfriend got me. He got me this basket, and he gave me some chocolates. He gave me hot Cheetos. He gave me a card. He gave me 2 of these, but I already ate one. These s'mores bites. Oh my god, these were amazing. And he also got me a cute bear. Oh my god. And lastly, he got me is this cute Coach purse that is so cute. Oh my god. Yes, so he got me this Coach purse. So your girl has a new purse. This is a cute on-to-go purse, you know. It's so cute, so I'm very grateful that he got me stuff for Valentine's. So if you see this, baby, thank you so much for all my Valentine gifts. I appreciate it so much, and I love them. So yeah, I'm just going to be baking a cake today, doing some chocolate strawberries, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So I'll catch you up later. I don't know if you noticed, there's different lighting. My mom got me some little vanity lights for my mirror instead of having the ring light in front of me for the past like 3 years. Look at that. I just put them on just like a wall though, and they're so cute. So now I don't have to have my ring light right here, and I think that looks so cute right now. It looks so aesthetically pleasing. Now I just have that and then my picture frame. But look, this was all in my thing just to hold my ring light. Just to hold my ring light. And oh my god, it looks so much cleaner. But I'm gonna throw away all this. Oh wait, I'm gonna keep some of these things. I'm gonna throw away this. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got for Valentine's for my mom and dad. And to start off this video, before I show my gifts, I don't mean to brag any shape, way, or form. I'm just showing y'all what my parents got me, and I already showed y'all what my boyfriend got me. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna show y'all real quick, and then after this I'm gonna bake a cake. My mom doesn't know it's for her. Strawberries. Okay, so first off, these are the lights. If you are wondering where they're from this brand. It's Bright Town Hollywood Mirror Lights. There's these, and it comes in a 10-pack, and they're 10 dimmable lights. And yeah, you can turn down the brightness to really glow, but this is the brightest it goes, and it looks so clean. It looks so like natural. So who's ready for new lighting? So yeah, I got some LED lights. I got my favorite. I already ate almost half of them already. So I got some fortune cookies. If you don't love fortune cookies, boo-boo, what are you doing? Fortune cookies are the best. And I got a balloon. I got this cute balloon. It's a heart one. And I got a Stranger Things bag. And I got this crop shirt, this gray one, knitted like thermal material. It looks super cute. So I got that. I got this cheetah bear. Oh, got some Reese's. I got some of these fuzzy socks, and I'm also wearing these too. They're super cute. They're the heart ones, the tiny conversation hearts. You can never go wrong with conversation hearts because these are the OG every time for Valentine. I got this rose. Some chocolates. This is from Target. It's a little clear Day of the Week thing, so I might hang that on my wall over there just to add a pizzazz. Probably just for decoration. Probably not gonna write in it, but it looks super cute. Remember I told y'all my mom always puts something in here. So I just got some fake nails. These are super cute. They're these LA color nails, and they're so cute. So I might try them pretty soon. You got nude and you got some marble. Girl, can't wait to try them. That was it, booze, from my parents. It's super sweet of them, and I appreciate everything they gave me. So thank you to my parents and to my boyfriend for giving me some gifts. But let's get right into it, and we're gonna go and do some chocolate coffee shop rice. So let's go over there. Hey boo, so I just got done like decorating the cake and that's already destroyed. Mom already ate some, so like I forgot to take a picture of it. White frosting on top and I did pink frosting on the sides and I made it a shape of a heart. I got some of the white, I dyed it to lavender. So I put I heart you, so like I love you. So that's all I did. So I'm very exhausted. I'm gonna edit this and this will be posted tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day, even if you spend it alone or with your mom or with your boyfriend. I hope you have an amazing day. Turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I can't see anything. It's so frozen. Oh my god. And then there's a little bit of snow. Oh, you can't pick it up. But that's what my pool looks like. It is frozen.